Alright, this video is to show you how to make it so you can easily access your COVID vaccine information if you go to, say, like a movie theater or a restaurant and they ask for it. So what you do is you go to this website, it's in the description below, and you just click on it, enter in a little bit of info, and then it'll text you back with a link. You go into that and you get a download link and you can get your COVID image that you need. Then go into My Files in your phone and go down to the image that you want to have be your image. Now, there's mine, but I blurred it out. But basically what you're going to do now is you want to move it somewhere that you're not going to accidentally delete it. I made a folder on my SD card. You just go and make a new folder. Yeah, create folder. I just called it COVID card. I figured that's pretty simple. But I'm not going to save anything else in there but that. So I create that, and then I go back. I go and open it. Or I move the file to it. And now you long press on that image. And then you can hit the More button, add to home screen. And then you go to the home screen, boom, there it is. And then you can drag it over to your, main screen like that. And you can change the icon usually, depends on what your launcher is, but you can leave it just the way it is, but I called mine COVID Vax. So yeah, we tried to go to a restaurant the other day and I was like, oh man, I don't have my card. And you don't really want to bring your card everywhere because what if you lose it? You kind of need that. So this is a really easy way. It's an official way to show that you've been vaccinated. Comply with the